Hey everyone, I'm Enrico from John B. Anthony Company. We've got another unboxing video for you. This time we're looking at Genelec's latest addition to the 1 series, the 8351B. This is a new revision of the 8351A that's just started shipping from Finland. Let's open these up and take a closer look. Inside the box, you'll find your 8351B, an RJ45 cable, your power cable, and the manual. Let's open this up. The 1 series are all a 3-way coaxial design featuring a stacked tweeter and mid-driver, with 2 bass drivers hidden behind the directivity control waveguide. The bass drivers will radiate from both the top and bottom ports. The 8351B has 2 4x8.5-inch drivers, a 5-inch mid-driver, and a 1-inch tweeter. The stacked mid-driver and tweeter are what makes this speaker and the rest of the 1 series extremely unique. So what exactly does this do? It's keeping everything in perfect phase alignment. Every frequency from the 8351B's range of 32 Hz to 43 kHz is completely time aligned. The end result is sonically unparalleled dimension from front to back. It's also worth noting, because of the coaxial design, whether you're standing the 8351s up or sideways, you'll actually have the same dispersion. To make these monitors even more 3D, I recommend pairing them with Genelec's GLM kit and software. The entire 1 series features smart active monitoring, and through the GLM software, this will allow you to correct for room and the placement of the speakers. GLM is going to remove any peaks or valleys created by the 8351Bs interacting with your environment. Whether your room is untreated or treated, once you mix on SAM-enabled speakers, you'll never want to go back. You can actually even store your mix position correction in the speakers themselves. GLM also allows you to correct multiple groups of monitors. This will allow you to chat through combinations of speakers or listening positions. This is great for when you have a client present during mixdown. They'll hear everything as you did from your mix position, regardless of where they are in the room. Correcting for both EQ and time of flight, this will allow you to monitor what is truly coming from your post-production or music mix. So what's new about the 8351B? The top-end frequencies now extend to 43 kHz instead of 35 kHz. We've also got an updated power amp section. The bass amp is now 250 watts, while both the mid-range and treble amps are 150 watts. This upgrade to the Class D power section gives the 8351Bs a max SPL of 113 decibels. And on top of that, they've also managed to reduce the weight by 10 pounds. Now that we've covered the specs, let's take a look at the back. On the back, we have several dip switches that can be used for EQ and input when you're not using the GLM desktop software. We can also defeat the front LEDs with this next switch, and the ISS switch will put the monitors in sleep mode when no sound is detected. The digital A and B switches can be used to change the input from analog XLR to AES A or B. The next 2 switches will pad your input by 10, 20, or even 30 decibels when used together. The final switch will enable your stored GLM settings for when you're not using it with a GLM kit. To the right is the input trim as well as the power button. Under the switches, we have all of our physical connections. We have power, GLM input and pass-through with 2 Ethernet ports. Next is the AES digital in and pass-through. And then last, we're going to have our analog XLR input. That's a quick look at the 8351B from Genelec. For more info on these monitors or the rest of the 1 series, please visit genelec.com or contact John B. Anthony Company. Also be sure to subscribe to our channel or leave any comments or questions you have below. And don't forget to like and share this video. If you want to get a notification when we upload more content, click the bell. Thanks for watching.